Would I recommend the Flowclear Aquaclimb Automatic Pool Cleaner by Bestway for you? No. And here are 11 reasons why. The first reason why I wouldn't recommend this product is because it does not actually end up getting the entire surface of the bottom of the pool. As you can tell here, it actually does a figure 8 or infinity pattern and continues to do that no matter how long you leave it plugged in and on. The second reason why I don't like this product and why I wouldn't recommend it is because it has a tendency to get stuck. Even when everything's flowing properly and it's working properly, it can get hung up on the sides of the pool, it can get hung up on itself, on the hose, and it can get hung up on any places where there are seams in the bottom of the pool. The third reason why I wouldn't recommend this Bestway product is because it has a tendency to get clogged and get clogged fast. It has a small filter in the head of the unit and it is just not enough surface area to go a long amount of time without having to clean it. You literally have to clean this with a clean pool already. You literally have to clean this out once every couple of hours that it is running. The fourth reason why I wouldn't recommend the Flowclear Automatic Pool Vacuum is because if you're using a cartridge filter pump like this one, then you are going to have to shut off one side of the intake to even get this vacuum to work. You will not be able to get it to work and vacuum across the bottom of the pool by leaving both sides open. The fifth reason why I wouldn't recommend this product is because even when you are using a sand filter pump, you have to backwash the system every few hours to be able to get the pump to continue to work. See, it needs to have enough pressure on the vacuum line that it enables the flapper valve to open and close real fast, which is what causes it to move across the bottom of the pool. Without enough pressure, it is not going to be able to move across the pool, and if you don't backwash your sand filter frequently, it's going to end up doing that. The sixth reason why I wouldn't recommend the Flowclear Aquaclimb is because the flapper valve has a tendency to actually come unseated from its housing and ends up not working, thus stalling the vacuum. The seventh reason why I wouldn't recommend the Aquaclimb vacuum is because I was under the impression that I was going to have to clean and scrub my pool less. Well, that's just simply not true. You still have to scrub just as often. You still have to vacuum just as often. And honestly, I can't see any difference in using this Aquaclimb pool vacuum than not having it at all when it comes to keeping the pool clean. The eighth reason why I don't recommend this vacuum, it may or may not come with the adapters you need to actually use it with your pool. And if it doesn't come with them, good luck finding them. You may even have to build your own adapters to get it to work. The ninth reason I don't recommend this product is because you can't really use the hose with other attachments, or at least it's not easy. You have to, like I said in the last one, build your own adapters or figure out some sort of funky way by removing certain sections of the hose or the adapter that goes to the intake to be able to get it to work with, say, a scrub head attachment. The 10th reason I wouldn't recommend this vacuum is because if your pool is already dirty, this vacuum does not do a great job of actually getting it clean. It's better for maintaining an already clean pool, which that it doesn't even do all that well, than it is at cleaning an already dirty pool. And the 11th and final reason why I would not recommend the Flowclear Aquaclimb Automatic Pool Vacuum by Bestway is because of the price. At $90, you're not really getting a product that maintains your pool well enough for me to even consider buying it if I would have known that it did such a horrible job. In closing, to make a long story short, this vacuum is really just not what it's cracked up to be. I would assume if you spend another $100 on a better automatic vacuum, or if you were to just scrub and treat and do what you're supposed to do anyway when it comes to cleaning and maintaining a pool, that you would have a better time and spend less money than getting this product. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any comments on what you think about your Aquaclimb pool vacuum, drop them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Billy D, swimming on out of here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.